So over here you can see that I have this form right here, and let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and expand on this form by adding in a single choice radio block as well. In that case, let me just click on the plus button, and then I'm going to go ahead and type in single, and here you can see that I get the single choice radio button right here. So now let's say for example I can say something like I like the website, and let's say for example I'm going to press enter and I say I don't like the website, and I can say something like the website is okay right here. So depending on the visitor, they can go ahead and choose only one option right here, but you can see that this actually got created as a separate form element right here. Let me just go ahead and say what do you think about this site right here, just like this. So now I can simply go ahead and let's say for example move this up right here or move this down, as you can see right here. But what I'm going to do is let's say for example simply click and drag this out right here, right onto this section, and you can see that it moves from this form to this form. So let's just go ahead and save this, and then if I were to go ahead and refresh this, what will happen is that I will get that radio button right here, just like this. And as I click on one of them, you can see that I simply can go ahead and choose only one out of the three right here, just like this. So this is what I have on what you think about this site section right here. And then apart from that, I can also go ahead and add in a drop down field option. So to do that, I'm just going to go ahead and let's say for example go around, click on the plus button in between the form itself, and then type in drop down. Then you can see that you get the drop down field. So over here you can go ahead and add a label. Like let's say for example I'm going to say select a hobby right here. So I'm simply going to add in options like let's say for example programming, let's say for example right here, just like this. Press enter and say designing, and I'm going to say photography, let's say for example web design right here, just like this, graphics design, and so forth, as you can see right here. So you can see that these are the choices, and if I were to go ahead and save this, the form will be updated, and I can go ahead and let's say for example refresh out the page, and on the hobby section I can simply go ahead and choose one of the options that you have right here. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the single choice radio block and the drop down field block inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.